Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tasia Unlimited. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this eye look using Jackie Aina's eye palette in collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. So yes, this look actually came out so nice. So if you want to see how I did it and also a review on the palette in general, stay tuned. Let's get it. Alright you guys, so I have put on my eyebrows, hello. I have also put on like my foundation, a little bit of blush. We're just really gonna focus on the eyes, okay? Because that is what Anyway, that's what her palette is all about, the eye palette. I'm so excited. Let's open this up and see. The packaging, by the way, is like so beautiful. Oh my goodness, so gorgeous. Oh look, it's like textured and everything. It just looks good, it feels good. So you guys, sad story time. I did drop this about like 5 minutes coming out of the store, but it's okay. It was only one that got kind of messed up, and it was Zam. And this one actually comes with 14 different shadows. Really cute. It actually comes with like a dual-sided brush, so like one for actually just putting on the shadow, and then like a blending side as well. So that is really cute. And it fits right perfectly into the little case right there. It also has a mirror on here, which is really cute. So yeah, these colors, oh my goodness, they are like so bright and beautiful. I love it already, and I haven't even seen them on, but I know that they're gonna be bomb. Like just in the packaging, it looks super pigmented. Like look at this pink, y'all. Like I'm gonna get into some things. I'm gonna get into this pink. You guys, let's get it started. I'm gonna start off with my eye primer by Fenty. Guys, I had to also, for this palette, for the Jackie palette, I went to 2 different stores looking for it. Now this was released like a while back, so it's definitely not new, but everywhere I was going, it was just sold out. I was like, oh my goodness. And even at Sephora, they had it at Sephora too. And I went to Sephora to try to find it, and it was just gone. I was like, oh my goodness, go ahead then, Jackie. Everybody trying to get your palette, girl. Okay. So yeah. So what I've been doing lately is actually going in with this color corrector. Alright, so I'm gonna go in first with this color called Credit. It's like a dark brown. I'm gonna use this side of the brush and just lightly pat that in. Go in there. Oh, that is looking so pretty already. I love that deep brown. That is gorgeous. Y'all, I just like tap it once with the brush, and then like boom, it's there. Hello. I'll just go right on the upper like eyelid. Wow. Alright you guys, now I'm gonna be doing like a purple gold kind of look. Y'all feel me? You don't feel me, but you'll see me. Soon you'll see how it all looks. I'm gonna go in. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with Big Wig first, with the purple Big Wig. That is so cute. I love the names for these. They're like super cute. And I'm actually gonna have this be like more towards the outer corner of the eye. Y'all, I cannot get over like how pigmented that is. Like, look at that. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Straight gorgeous. Alright, guys. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with Shookington. I love Jack Jackie. Okay. I'm gonna go in with Shookington and start going a little bit towards the inner corner of the eye. Oh, that's pretty. Wow, that's like a mermaid. Shookington is a mermaid color for sure, you guys. For sure. So there's like 3 different golds. Duala's is really, really cute. Use Soleil. Oh, hello. Yes, it's me. Hello. Feeling so fabulous right now. I am in love with these colors, y'all. Oh my goodness. Like, this is probably like, I should have bought like 2 palettes. Like, one to just look cute and then one where I could use, because now I'm gonna be like so sad. Like, this is just the perfect palette. I'm gonna be using this every day. Like, this has like everything. So like I said, it does have 14 shadows in here, and like looking at it, I'm like, oh yeah, that's for sure like a color that I will wear like a everyday, like to work. This palette is everything, y'all. These colors are so gorgeous, and they are like, that's what I really love about Jackie. And a lot of my girls in the YouTube world is like, when they put out products, because like they are people of color, they can be like, this is gonna work for this kind of skin tone or this kind of complexion, and that's not gonna work. So I feel like all of these colors work, like, and they just look so good. Oh my god, I cannot. I am Shookington. Okay, I am Shookington right now. Love it. Done with that. So now I'm gonna move on to the eyelashes. These are from my local beauty supply, Fridays in Compton. Shout out. This is not sponsored. I just love that beauty supply. Alright, I'm gonna go in with this purple liner from Luminous, Captive Lip Liner, and I believe this is actually a free one that I got from BeautyCon. Alright, you guys, and finally I'm going, so just going in here with my lip gloss from the Tiana Designer Collection. This one is in the color Gourmet Dreams. So, you guys, this is the final look, and I do have to say that I am just so loving this palette. Oh my goodness, the colors are so beautiful. Jackie girl, thank you so much. Thank you, girl. Thank you. You hooked us up. And thank you guys so much for watching. As always, make sure that you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment below. Let me know if you're feeling this look. You know, it's giving me like Lakers vibe, you know, LA girl, go Lakers anyway. But I really do like this look, so definitely leave a comment below. Also, if you have any questions about any of the colors or just the palette in general, let me know. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Okay, you guys don't want to miss out on anything that Tasia Unlimited has coming up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.